Hi, I'm Chris from CodeReviewVideos.com, and in this video I want to share with you what I think is the most amazing hidden feature of PHPStorm or any of the IntelliJ based IDEs. Maybe it's not hidden, maybe I just didn't know about it, but it really saved my bacon. Just last week I managed to wipe out quite a lot of work, in fact an entire afternoon's work, by doing a dodgy SVN checkout, and I just lost everything basically. And it should have, apparently on Windows, when you're using Tortoise SVN, it should send any sort of mistakes to the recycle bin, but for whatever reason it didn't, and I lost, as I say, I lost my entire afternoon's work. And after a bit of a mild panic and mild meltdown, I did some Googling and I managed to find out that you can use this VCS local history to actually pull everything back out, which, as I say, it totally saved my bacon. So as you can see at the moment in here, we've not really got anything. It's a brand new project, but I'll show you how powerful this is, because at the moment, as you can see, there's no integration with Git, there's no integration with SVN. We've just got our basic directory. So in here, there's nothing in it. And if I do sort of git status, you can see it's not actually a Git repository. So we've got no version control, but if I go in here and create myself a new file, and then I add some text and save that, and then add in another one maybe, and that's fine. And then maybe I go back to new file 1 and add in some more text. Okay, fairly basic. And then the nice thing is, really, you can go to this VCS local history, and because I'm actually clicked on that particular file, I can see the changes that went through. And it's not quite as good as Git, in as much as, in my opinion, it's not quite as robust in as much as you're not doing your staging and you're adding to each individual commit and stuff like that. But it's brilliant aside from that. And as I say, that was on one file at the top, and you can go again. And this time you can see everything that happened in that directory. So new file 1, new file 2. But where it becomes really powerful is if I do an rf star, and that will not have gone to the recycle bin. That's going to have gone completely. But if we look inside the VCS local history, all my changes are still there. So as it says there, it's an external change and it's wiped my files. But if I revert that, now both my files are back. And why that's super powerful, aside from bypassing the fact that it's not gone through your recycle bin, but you've still been able to return it, is that this may occur if you do something a bit crazy like stage your commits in Git, but then do a Git reset head hard and actually lose everything. And you're going to have lost everything in the same sort of way. It's not going to have gone to the recycle bin, but you're still going to be able to get stuff back. Now, you may be thinking, bit of a security hazard or whatever, but honestly, in my opinion, the benefits far outweigh the negatives of this. So it's just one tool to have in your arsenal, but as I say, it saved me massively. It saved me an entire afternoon's work, so hopefully it'll save you equivalent.